Hello viewers and welcome to another edition of Talk to the Camera with me, Memuna Suma. Dove Court now one of the biggest markets there inside Freetown. But over the years, they don't get constrained over dirty and water we can flood inside the markets. So today we can't talk to market women the way they are for let them tell we how this don't they affect them business and what thing they don't they do for try for see how they go able to solve them. Stay with me as they go give you them views them. Hello and welcome to this interview, ma. Tell me your name and what you they sell.
I'm in Kariatu. I dey sell Maggi.
So how many years you don't they sell Maggi for?
I don't pass now good 20 years.
So we see poto there in the market and as trade away don't they have for a very long time. How this don't they affect you and your business way they do?
And this Simona, we dey tell the government somehow make they help because we the cow they suffer the outside the bokuna ya customer and they kai side and the sell guys side mona. So now that no more they beg for make the government do for make they make for una ya. So it's not really easy. They sell the mona right now. Bing we dey come from early morning. They see don't say before one get customer come. So this Simona we bing ya the outside not easy. The customer they all they balance now na far but now they pass because they go they don't pull. Not all man go everywhere and find something. Kaisa the poto boku.
So when can cancel, how una can manage like protect una self from the poto and also the rain where they can because una not get roof where they protect una.
Well, Sunday pass to keep park market because all the water they don't flop here. Find one. We dey park market here. We go to the store. So the poto now pass if he way like where the place they sold go market here. A kai side before get away. One customer the kai side for come buy. So now no more.
So what you go tell viewers where they watch you now?
So pass to go for telling now say make they help we. The place you don't pull really not easy. Kale kuso sister mama they dey upline. Papa they dey upline. Pass someone now how they suffer no more get. We are don't make so now. Pass they get for sorry for una they make for una ya. For who bag get way to the eat.
Thank you very much.
My name is Memuna Suma. I sell mixed markets. I sell different items there.
How long you don't depart this business?
Well, my mama be the sell here. Where myself can join and so it don't tell. It don't tell we the sell here now.
Over the years where don't they sell here, these markets don't they be affected by poto, especially where rainy season come. So as it's together we don't there for a very long time. How this don't they affect you?
Well, this affect we because to make it affect we. Even then stranger them. Like because you're at the big markets, this line and called Dove Court. Some them ministers, some the other honorable, the wealth them can come by. But like where them can inside the market, if you see them start to come inside like front the station and they return, because some man issues they fuel, the water they disturb, and the market is not they go find, not they able get sell, because people are not able to come inside, strangers are not able to come inside, who self not able to get sell, so the water they disturb we much.
Not only water they na the streets like how we they see, we also they see dirty in the streets. What do you think is responsible for this?
Well, them dirty there now the water because what make I say na the water because when you go up Kisi Road, side there were quick pipe bus. So like where the pump they open, the water not get way for divert, they can inside. So now they soak the ground. So now they make the place not easy so for it dry. If you see it dry small, I like where pump lock. But if you see the pump open, water always spread inside the market.
Is it that tuna self not get side for to dirty make like the gutter and the flop?
No, we get side for today because we get youth man the way we say, then they help we, and they can't sweep, then go to the dirty na the gutter there. But it's not easy. Either then sweep say the water of himself in a dry.
So what thing go be called to government and city council because now they're responsible for take care of markets in the country.
What do they make Papa government they help we because we the woman there now we na the family na the house. They help we for the ground, they help we for the place. Because like, this water not decent. Even we don't have vac themselves for the well. At times it they cut. Because the water where they soak, What we gonna house on they pass to put to food spa hot water on either fire. Because the coal, any vac where you well. The poto you know they able to escape. You the mass the poto done some person where they pass in vac all the dirty. The one come out safe for pass, you know they able to get away for get access clean road for pass. The ground poto they have vac then they pull. We sell for food and the white So we say for the big Papa government, they are help we for make the road. Yes, welcome.
How long you don't they serve now this position? Over the years where you don't serve as chair lady, what you don't they do for the Makituma they were there? Waiting so.
Huh?
What you don't they do for them?
For being chair lady in this community, no easy. You don't do a lot. Yeah? You don't do work in this community. For long we will get here, enough funny. For long we will sit down here, enough easy. But today we tell God thank you.
We don't talk to plenty market women them and they don't explain to we say then the first constraint concerning this water within the market and also the dirty because some buyer the way they come they afraid for kind side the market because they're not afraid for dirty. So as chair lady of the market, how well you don't try for engage city council for say they're able for address this issue way on the face.
Well, before election, we clean here. The constraint will get for Fobe Road. Fobe Road and ready water they come out. If not for the cleaning, then they clean. But the water will not able to control it. Fobe Road and ready problem there. If the Fobe Road problem solved, their problem is solved. Because what made you demand the then they sweep. But because of this water, we not able to control this water. We know they pass and make Fobe Road. Fobe Road that junction by clock tower. I did the water they come away they run also. So this water na indo ambogu na bad one. So nothing ambogu ya this water. If you this water they able block am for we. Well yeah, at the peaceful market this.
How this don't they affect business?
Don't say. This water I don't say. Before election we don't clean here. Any Sunday we they do cleaning. Any Sunday the youth man they mobilize with the youth man they do cleaning. But this water na we issue.
As an data Abacha now because they said they face similar constraint like here. So waiting go be you message to the government and also city council for try for help on from this constraint here on the face.
Well for ya, if they help we, they make for we it's fine. Because somebody what they make, you know point, a good person. Yeah, if they make for we go gladly. But then say they will not so buy the cancer. But for now, buy no the cancer. If you see buy cancer, and say no more the one who go down direct or sell the cancer car system. But they stay in tumors. This particular road will stay. Yeah. Okay, thank you too.
Well, really me name na Leone Sue. Me na marketer and of course I sell really. And I don't there for the past 4 seasons since my daddy died. The last time I even get remembrance of all the stories in there, that's how they go collect. That gives the reason why I stopped medication. Now I did of course, come and fight very hard, stay with my families, the only water low. I'm not the only body created outside for coming fights.
So we don't talk to a few people where they sell Naya and they don't explain so we say that they get affected by this water waiting at the market. So tell me how this don't they affect you also as possible they sell mendul the markets where you not get side for Sido.
Well really the water can affect too much because like when you look some of these gutters they are one the cleanliness now one and what they clean some people and they then the piece and the water and wherein can come at least some of the foods them can pull white 1 inch. And really people them can even forget for inside the market. That gives the reason why plenty people them right now want to inside the market. And you can find a difficult self right now for sale. Now for lady in the market you even get side. For lady we sell out 200,000 per day. You know, it's because like so many people them they way they get fear for inside this water. So like you know mind they can divert to another way once. So let them really get fear.
So we want for know where in they come how you can manage for prevent yourself and your markets not for poor.
Well, really, for me outside, and the market first, I get a plastic way I can really use. I will cover the market, and again boots, I can well follow cover the market because like when it can look like where it can come really, you say not even the market inside. Because like place so water, you be missing a sea or you don't have sun. Like it's hardly for you go able to see people, 2 people go able to inside when you really come. So like now just because of Saturday last night, we not even get again. You can see so many people That's it. You can see 2-3 people them they can inside. But like really, if there is a way where them go able to find where we self go able to get where this place will be okay, that will be okay. That will be fine. And then they will be able to expect sell and do another things then. But like besides, presently now with the stream, to be honest.
I think will be called to Freetown City Council because now they're responsible for clean the market and also ensure say people can get side for sale.
Well, really, and even presently, the size of where we are, the one they making, we then say then they clean. They know they clean. You say you see. When the blessed then they collect people them, collect money from together them people them making come. But like until now we don't even see improvements it. So like with the big everybody we know say you able get help for able help for yourself you able get improve na the market. Because like now we place make you go get improvement na the market. We place no make you can see you see but people in the cancer. But like we place make you can see so many people in the cancer. People in the camp for cancel, some man they come for can buy, and you go feel comfortable. Now, that's we make you go feel comfortable. Feel even some of these roads them that way they, now some such areas. Now where you see make, you see Okada then they go inside, another thing they go inside. Likewise the market also. So like, if place not make, it's hardly volley we self go able to see man in the camp for can buy or that do another thing.
Thank you. So now don't they watch that now some of the concerns the way the market so man they inside Dovecot market stories then say then they get so much difficulties inside the rainy season for sale because buyer then they afraid for kind inside the markets for me they not soak or get dirty and these don't they affect them business greatly because they know they get sell like before. So then they call on government and also the city council for come to their aid and see how they go help for solve this issue within they face. So till we meet again for bringing on other exciting stories where they happen around Salon. Members say this is my favorite program, Talk to the Camera, and me and Memuna Suma with the say tata.